Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with some more. I'm going deeper down in the rabbit hole, guys. So we have Babymonster with Butter Up, some music video. So Babymonster is apparently the little sister group for Blackpink that I've been reacting to lately. So the comment section point me to the Babymonster. So never heard a song from them. This is my first time reacting to them. So drop a like on the video, please. Continue to drop the subs for me. That is very important for me. Please help me grow, and let me know which song to react to also. All right, we're here, so let's jump in this one and hear what Babymonster is, what they're about and what they're saying. Let's go.
Attention!
I'm on a mission, don't need permission. No matter what, I'm gonna make my own decisions. I'm talking you want it to. 예쁘고 착한 내가 어떻게 변할지 monster.
Shit. What is going on?
Attention!
What is going on? I'm in a whole different world right here. I am in a whole different world, and I love it. Let's go.
I'm on a mission,
Yeah.
don't need permission.
Yeah.
No matter what, I'm gonna make my own decisions. I'm talking you want it to. 예쁘고 착한 내가 어떻게 변할지 monster. Remember me, sting like a bee. 굶주린 사자 같은 personality. 네만 뺏고 다른 것은 monster. Remember me, sting like a bee. 굶주린 사자 같은 personality.
So obviously it's my first time, like I said, reacting to Babymonster, but I'm noticing the same thing Babymonster is doing like Blackpink does. Blackpink would sing like one bar in two different languages, so they would just transition from language to language, and I find it so cool. I love it, and this is what Babymonster is doing right here. I love it.
Sting like a bee.
Yeah.
굶주린 사자 같은 personality. 네만 뺏고 다른 것은 원하지 않아. I will never do you wrong. You regret it when I'm gone. 좀 더 강하게, 더 빠르게 늘려버릴게. Got a lot to say, what a big mistake. Better.
Dancing, man. Shit.
Hitting and dial, never can stop.
We can see how much money is being spent on this production. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. I'm going again. I'm playing it again. I don't care.
Attention!
We can see. We have to appreciate what the production team is doing. What these artists are doing. They are doing crazy things, man. Crazy things.
I'm on a mission, don't need permission. No matter what, I'm gonna make my own decisions. I'm talking you want it to. 예쁘고 착한 내가 어떻게 변할지 monster. Remember me, sting like a bee. 굶주린 사자 같은 personality. 네만 뺏고 다른 것은 원하지 않아. I will never do you wrong.
Production, man.
You regret it when I'm gone. 좀 더 강하게, 더 빠르게 늘려버릴게. Got a lot to say, what a big mistake. Better.
the fact that they're in a classroom right here. You got speakers on the right, speakers on the left, and you got the back of the school bus in the entrance. Like the production team is doing some amazing work with these artists.
함성이 될 거야 loud surprise come on start 짠 네가 가는 길이 길이 빛이 나리 왜 어깨 피곤한 going 바통 바꿔 준비 완료 후다닥 run 누가 날 막아는 더 세게 봐봐 너 내가 좀 알았어 짠
The transmission.
What the hell did you just say?
The transition, not transmission. What am I talking about? The transition. Sorry, did I say transmission? Shit.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get.
비명은 함성이 될 거야 loud surprise come on start 짠 네가 가는 길이 길이 빛이 나리 왜 어깨 피곤한 going 바통 바꿔 준비 완료 후다닥 run 누가 날 막아는 더 세게 봐봐 너 내가 좀 알았어
She came in so effort. Like I can't get. She came in so effortlessly. Like, she just boom. Like it's my turn. Excuse me, it's my turn. Boom, I'm coming in. Listen.
길이 길이 빛이 나리 왜 어깨 피곤한 going 바통 바꿔 준비 완료 후다닥 run 누가 날 막아는 더 세게 봐봐 너 내가 좀 알았어 비켜 순진한 척 나는 그딴 거 안 해 나 whenever look in the mirror 지지지 않아 계속 바람은 나는 무대 위를 태워 싹 다 지워버려 험한
Fuck, she's eating this. She is eating. Oh my god.
surprise come on start 짠 네가 가는 길이 길이 빛이 나리 왜 어깨 피곤한 going 바통 바꿔 준비 완료 후다닥 run 누가 날 막아는 더 세게 봐봐 너 내가 좀 알았어 비켜 순진한 척 나는 그딴 거 안 해 나 whenever look in the mirror 지지지 않아 계속 바람은 나는 무대 위를 태워 싹 다 지워버려 I'm like a boss baby I'm a boss baby 모두 다 찢어 like remember me sting like a bee 무대를 닦고 노는 우린 MVP 니만 빼고 다른 것은 원하지 않아 I'll never do you wrong You're ready when I'm gone
Yeah.
좀 더 강하게 더 빠르게 날려버리게 걸어도 say what a big mistake Better up Better up Better up
Oh, whoa. Is that? I don't think it's finished yet. No. This is what I've learned for the past couple of days. When you see, one song finish or one beat finish, knowing that something else exciting is coming, especially when they have another minute to go on the video, something else is coming. That's crazy. Here it is. Here it is. Ready? Let's go. Woohoo! Yo! Oh my god. Thank you guys for pointing me in this direction. Thank you guys. Big up all the blinks. Thank you, or the blink. Thank you guys for pointing me in the direction of Babymonster. You guys mentioned and said that the Babymonster is like a little sister from the Blink. So, oh my gosh, amazing, and I feel happy to be pointed in this direction. And one thing I'm gonna be waiting for now is the comment section to give me the insight around this group. Give me as much information as you can, like you did with Blackpink. So I'll be excited in reading those comments. Doesn't matter if it's in English or not, I can translate it. So give me Give me the information that I need and give me the song that I should react to, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Whoa, what can I say, guys? I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Thank you, and please remember to drop a sub on the channel, guys. Drop a sub on the channel. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.